Definition of a cyclic group. Let G be a group. G be a group means G satisfies 4 axioms: closure, associative, identity, and inverse with respect to multiplication, and A is an element in G. If G is equal to set of A power n such that n belongs to Z, then we say that G is called a cyclic group and A is called a generator of G. This means every element of G can be expressed as some integral power of a single element. That element is known as a generator. That group is known as a cyclic group. A cyclic group with generator A is denoted by G is equal to sand A, that is equal to A power n such that n belongs to Z, that is equal to A power minus 2, A power minus 1, A power 0, A power 1, A power 2, and so on, integral powers of A. In additive group, we write A power n is equal to NA for n belongs to Z. In the above definition, we replace A power n by NA and dot is replaced by addition. Therefore, G is equal to set of NA such that n belongs to Z, that is equal to sand A, where A is a generator. In additive group, G is the set of all multiples of A. In multiplicative group, G is the set of all integral powers of A. Now I will give the suitable example for a cyclic group. Example for a cyclic group. Cube roots of unity forms a cyclic group with respect to multiplication. The set of cube roots of unity is G is equal to set of 1 omega omega square, where omega cube equal to 1. This is a cyclic group. By the definition of a cyclic group, every element of G can be expressed as some integral power of a single element. This means G is equal to set of 1 omega omega square can be expressed as some integral power of omega power n such that n belongs to Z. This single element is known as a generator. It is denoted by sand omega. Here identity element is 1. Here omega power 0 is 1, omega power 1 is omega, omega square is omega square, omega cube is 1, omega power 4 is omega cube into omega is omega, omega power 5 is omega cube into omega square is omega square, and so on. Here we get omega power 0 is 1, omega power 1 is omega, omega square is omega square. We get the elements of G. This means every element of G can be expressed as some integral power of omega. Therefore, G is a cyclic group with generator omega. Similarly, we prove that omega square is also a generator of G. This is the example for cyclic group. Another example for a cyclic group. Fourth roots of unity forms a cyclic group with respect to multiplication. The fourth roots of unities are 1, minus 1, I, minus I, where I square equal to minus 1. Clearly, G is a multiplicative group with identity E is equal to 1. This is also a cyclic group with generator I. Since G contains 4 elements, 1, minus 1, I, minus I, we observe that I power 0 equal to 1. 1 is an element. I power 1 equal to I is also element in G. I power 2, that is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is also an element in G. I cube, that is equal to I square into I, minus 1 into I is minus I. Minus I is also an element of G. Every element of G can be expressed as some integral power of a single element I, that is I power n such that n belongs to Z. This single element is known as a generator. That can be written as G is equal to sand I. Clearly, G is a cyclic group with generator I. Similarly, we prove that minus I is also a generator of G. This is the example for cyclic group. Show that the set of integers forms a cyclic group with respect to addition, that is Z plus is a cyclic group. This is an example for cyclic group, in particularly infinite cyclic group. We know that Z is equal to set of minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and so on. That n belongs to Z. Then we write n is equal to n into 1, that is equal to minus n into minus 1. Since n belongs to Z, n is equal to n into 1 such that n belongs to Z. N belongs to Z means n is equal to 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, and so on. Put n is equal to 0, we get 0 into 1 is 0. This is 0 is an element in Z. Put n is equal to 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 is also an element of Z. Put n is equal to minus 2, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, this is also an element of Z. So this means every element of Z is a multiple of 1, then the single element 1 is known as a generator. It can be written as this and 1. Therefore, 1 is a generator of Z, Z is a cyclic group. Similarly, we write minus 1. Minus 1 is also a generator of Z. This is an example for infinite cyclic group. Show that the nth roots of unity forms a cyclic group with respect to multiplication. The nth roots of unity is equal to nth root of 1, that is equal to 1 whole power 1 by n, that is equal to 1 plus I into 0 whole power 1 by n. Since cos 0 degrees is 1 and sin 0 degrees is 0, then cos 0 plus I sin 0 whole power 1 by n. We know that cos of 2n pi plus theta is cos theta. The sin of 2n pi plus theta is sin theta for n belongs to Z. Then we write cos 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi whole power 1 by n. By using De Moivre theorem on complex numbers, cos theta plus I sin theta equal to e power I theta, that is equal to e power I into 2k pi whole power 1 by n. That is equal to e power I into 2k pi by n, that is equal to e power 2 pi I by n whole power k. Since a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn, that is equal to omega whole power k, where omega is equal to e power 2 pi I by n and 0 less than or equal to k less than or equal to n minus 1. Since omega is equal to e power 2 pi I by n, then omega power n is equal to e power 2 pi I, that is equal to cos 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi. Cos 2 pi is 1, sin 2 pi is 0. 1 plus I into 0 is 1. And also omega power 0 is equal to 1. Let g is equal to nth root of 1, that is equal to omega power k, that is equal to 1 omega, omega square, omega cube, and so on, omega power n minus 1. First we prove that G dot is a group. G dot is a group means G satisfies 4 axioms: closure, associative, identity, and inverse. The first one is closure. Let a comma b belongs to G. A and b are two elements in G. Then we get a power n is equal to 1, b power n is equal to 1. Then a power n into b power n is equal to 1 into 1 is 1. That gives ab whole power n is equal to 1. That gives ab is equal to nth root 1. This is also an element in G. Belongs to G. Therefore, ab belongs to G gives a dot b belongs to G. Then dot is a binary operation in G. Second one is associative. Let ABC belongs to G. Since all the elements of G are complex numbers, that gives ABC belongs to C. Generally, multiplication of complex numbers satisfies associative property. That is, A into BC is equal to AB into C for all ABC belongs to G. Therefore, dot is associative in G. Third one is identity. Put K is equal to 0. Then omega power k is equal to omega power 0 is equal to 1, where 1 is an element in G. For any a belongs to G, we get a into 1 is equal to 1 into a is equal to a. Clearly, e is equal to 1 is the identity element in G. Fourth one is inverse. Since G is equal to set of nth root of 1, that is equal to set of 1 omega, omega square, omega cube, and so on, omega power n minus 1. We prove that every element of G having multiplicative inverse. Let A belongs to G and A is equal to 1. 1 is the first element in G. Here 1 into 1 is equal to 1 gives 1 is equal to 1 inverse. 1 having self inverse. Since A dot B is equal to B dot A is equal to E, that gives B is equal to A inverse. B is the multiplicative inverse of A. Clearly, 1 having multiplicative inverse. Again, let A belongs to G and A not equal to 1. A not equal to 1 means A lies between omega and omega power n minus 1. That is, A is equal to omega power R and R lies between 1 and n minus 1. 1 less than or equal to R less than or equal to n minus 1. Take B is equal to omega power n minus R. Then A dot B is equal to omega power R into omega power n minus R, that is equal to omega power n. A power m into A power n, that is A power m plus n. We know that omega power n is 1, that is equal to E is the identity element. Clearly, omega power n minus R is the multiplicative inverse of omega power R. This means every element of G having multiplicative inverse. Clearly, G dot is a group. Now we show that G dot is a cyclic group. Since G is equal to 1 omega, omega square, omega cube and so on, omega power n minus 1, every element of G can be expressed as the integral power of omega. Omega power n such that n belongs to Z. This single element is known as a generator, that is equal to sand omega. Clearly, G dot is a cyclic group with generator omega, hence proved. Example, is the group Q of all rational numbers under addition a cyclic group? Substantiate your answer. Solution, we know that the set of rational numbers forms a group with respect to addition. It is also an abelian group. Now we verify that Q plus is a cyclic group or not. If possible, suppose that Q plus is a cyclic group. Q plus is a cyclic group means Q plus having a generator. By definition of a cyclic group, Q is equal to Na such that n belongs to Z, that is equal to sand A, where A not equal to 0 is a generator of Q. Suppose A by 2 belongs to Q. A by 2 is an element in Q, that is equal to A by 2 is equal to Na. A by 2 is equal to Na for n belongs to Z. On simplifying, A into 1 by 2 minus n equal to 0, that gives 1 by 2 minus n equal to 0, since A not equal to 0. A not equal to 0 is a generator in Q. That gives n is equal to 1 by 2. N is equal to 1 by 2. Here, n belongs to Z, n is equal to 1 by 2, which is contradiction to the fact that n is an integer. Hence, our supposition is false. Therefore, Q plus is not a cyclic group. Hence, completed.